guys riding out around here.
All right.
Hey, look at me. It's not what's up. Am I one of your buddies?
What?
Am I one of your buddies? Do you address me as what's up? Look at me. What? Is that how you talk to anyone? Huh? It is? Okay, well, you're gonna have a tough time going through life talking to people like that. Right? Stop riding your bikes in the park.
Can we ride on the road?
On the road you can.
All right,
but not
thank
in the
you.
park.
All right, thank
Okay?
you.
Don't make me give you guys a ticket.
All right. We have to do. Hey, we have to go on the road.
Where'd you go from?
Steve.
What?
Steve.
Hit or miss. I guess we're gonna ditch, huh? Oh, dude, I got one of those too.
Definition of living dead. Got a dead bitch, gave a head. Two flowers growing on my bed. Brought some blood settled on my leg. Broken soul, but I'm breaking bread. Head dreading, but from Michael, man. Eating pile of shirt up, but I'm swinging like a helicopter. Got it covered in this time, spitting out the yappers. Got the drama with the llama. I could get you to Nirvana, running pockets. Proper, we create our own karma. Now, boa, I don't know you know a side soldier. Need the keys to the rover, you're scarecrow. I'm trying to finesse the lesson. It's something more. I'm trying to blank on who the fuck you is.
He's coming. The cop. Hey, turn. There's a cop behind us, bro. All right.
Yes, officer. I stopped.
Okay. All right. Okay.
All right, sir.
What do you say?
Wait, we can't go.
Yee. Come on! Traffic work? Traffic work. Good, bro. Hey, everyone turn around. I want to go talk to Wheelie Dude over there.
What's up, boys?
What's up?
Hello. Look, this guy can wheelie too.
Do a wheelie.
I'm
Oh!
watching this guy here, and he's all over the place doing wheelies everywhere. I'm thinking if I tried that, I'd be on my can in a minute.
It's fun, man.
I know, I can tell.
Have an hour. Get your bike.
They may only have, I'd be on my motorcycle. I couldn't do that. All good. You guys all ready? All on vacation now?
Yeah.
Nice. Congratulations. Enjoy the summer. Graduation.
Remember the pink wheels.
Yeah.
That's where everyone.
Yeah, we've created a YouTube channel and stuff.
Oh yeah? Really? Nice. What's the YouTube channel?
Forget the name.
Well, that's not a good channel. That's supposed to find you. Well, thanks for at least stopping and making it look good. I appreciate it, guys.
Hey, you should go sit on the front right there and take a picture. Ask him if you could.
Can I sit on the front bumper and take a picture?
What?
Not on the bike.
Here's the city of Sonoma's car, not mine.
He sees you.
You can't look geeky. You gotta do something.
Hey, you gotta pretend like you have your hands behind your back.
Oh yeah.
Alright, do you want me to keep that one?
Bro, he's 12ing.
I've been doing this since I was 13 years old.
Since you're 13?
And they had these like another inch and a half down.
Yeah.
And I couldn't even get up like that. You know, I couldn't even get over a bump like that. I'm like, pipe cutter, cut them off.
You gotta make them even higher so they can wheelie better.
Actually, I can pop them up. I have them set right there to where I can go like this.
Oh, you can just sit there?
You guys have all probably ran once or twice.
All the time.
I think the hardest out of all of us.
No, his brake slipped. No, Jaron, I
Jaren's brakes didn't slip. Yes, it did.
That's what it
I was leaning on the brake and then it gave way when we were going fast.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I felt
Security guard's fault.
Yeah.
I was saying hi to him and then he comes out and
Hey, you should put a motor on that thing.
I could though. I could
They actually make them, but
125? Too expensive.
you know,
overpriced
no,
car.
I
can make that thing go
Overpriced car!
25 miles.
they
Overpriced car!
wanted to give me an electric wheelchair, but they're not fun.
Yeah, it's not fun.
Well, I guess if you have a little bit of power, you can just hold it up.
Yeah, you have to get a gas one and just.
Yeah, down the road. Oh, yo, a tandem!
Do a wheelie.
Yo, really, the tandem?
Guys, you all have very nice bikes as well. Put it that way.
Throw it up.
On that PK. Come on.
Do a wheelie.
We'll do a little shoot for you guys. We got
All right, go.
Look at this fucker. It's got a battery.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's cheating!
Do a wheelie.
Yeah, bro. You got this. Go ahead. Have a great day, fellas.
You too.
Hey, can I get a free one?
Dude, all these. Follow Sonoma Bike Live on Instagram. You'll find out not all of us, but some of us.
High five.
Yeah, alright. Yeah.
Do it again. What the fuck? My girl be saying, why aren't you hard? What? 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 Why can't we ride in the road?
Hey, we can't ride on
Where else are we going? Where else are we riding?
We can't ride on the sidewalk.
What's the sidewalk?
Exactly. Where are we gonna go then?
Dumbass.
All right, bye, bitch.
Hey!
Fucking ass as it's driving away. It's illegal to ride on the fucking sidewalk. What I missed? Wait, what did he say? Yelling at us. Really? Why? Some people don't like wheelies.
Bike life. You know what? I'm feeling like a savage today. I'm not stopping.
Stop it, bro.
Owie! My banana!
just like that. Jesus Christ. I was just telling him about us fucking crashing today. What the fuck? Let me try. Holy shit. Let me try yours, Shane. Holy shit. Okay.
Damn, dude, I just got him wheeling that beach cruiser.
Your wrist down. Fucking